whole lot of bad shit, man. Flavor Baby Cam, nigga, every
Bitch
shit.
gang, Sister G, I been calling cash, fucking on this pretty thick bitch. I told her throw it back. 2023, that be my year, niggas on their ass.